YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back again to my channel Logic. Today we're going to set the control panel back in the WinX menu, which was replaced by the settings after recent update of Windows 10 by the Microsoft. Almost all of us were using that shortcut on a regular basis. Since it is gone by the recent update of Windows 10, I'm going to show you how to get it manually in the WinX menu. At first, you need to go to your desktop and create a new shortcut. Just go to new and go to shortcut. I'm just clicking there, and here you need to tap the location of control panel manually, but you don't have to take any stress because I have already given the link in the description of my blog in which all the necessary files and things are included. I'm just copying the location of control panel, and you can see I'm pasting and clicking next, and now we have to rename it. Let me just rename it control panel. You have to rename it correctly because it is going to save in the WinX menu. If you don't get what is WinX menu, it is just simply Windows plus X, Windows button plus X, and you can just get it by going to Windows and clicking or right clicking it. Then you just need to open the file explorer and then copy the second one, location 2, and just paste it in your address bar of the file explorer, which is located at the top of it, and you will navigate to the groups of WinX menu. You can see it on top is the group of WinX menu. This is group 1 and this is group 2 in which the control panel was located, and the last one is group 3. You can see it in the folders name. They are named as groups, and I recommend you to paste the control panel shortcut in the group 2 because it's the actual place of it. So let me just minimize it, and you need to copy this shortcut which we have created just few seconds ago, and copy it and go to the, let me just cut it because I don't need it now, and go to the file explorer and navigate to group 2 and just hit paste, and it will now occur in your WinX menu. You just minimize all those, and after restarting the PC you can see the control panel again in your WinX menu. So now let me just show you by restarting my computer. You will also see control panel in WinX menu after restarting your computer. Then just restart and prove you that it actually works. Yes, I'm back, and I've already restarted my PC, and let me show you it worked or not. Then just go to the Windows and right click it, and as you see our control panel is back its place, and you know, let's check it work or not. Let's click it once. Yeah, it worked. So I hope this trick worked for you too, and if you like our video, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any problem or suggestions, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified at first when we post our next further videos. Hope to see you in the next one. Until that, peace out.